Teletubbies, Tubby Custard Mess. One day in Teletubby Land, it was time for Tubby Custard.
Tubby custard! Tubby custard!
Tubby Custard! But then Dipsy had an accident.
Uh-oh! Dipsy spilled Tubby custard!
Dipsy spilled Tubby Custard all over his tubby seat. Tinky Winky, Lala and Po sat down on their tubby seats, but Dipsy didn't want to sit down. Dipsy didn't want to sit in the Tubby Custard. Dipsy had nowhere to sit, so Lala let Dipsy sit on her tubby seat.
Thank you, Lala.
Uh-oh, Dipsy. But then Lala had nowhere to sit. Lala didn't want to sit in the Tubby Custard. So Po let Lala sit on her tubby seat. Lala.
Thank you, Po.
But then Po had nowhere to sit. Po didn't want to sit in the Tubby Custard. So Tinky Winky let Po sit on his tubby seat. Ah, thank you, Tinky Winky.
Po.
But then Tinky Winky had nowhere to sit. Tinky Winky did want to sit in the Tubby Custard. Dipsy and Lala wanted Tinky Winky to sit on their tubby seats.
Tinky Winky. Tinky Winky.
Tinky Winky couldn't decide which tubby seat to sit on. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Po had an idea. She ran around and sat on another tubby seat. Tinky Winky sat next to her, but then Dipsy and Lala wanted to sit down. Dipsy and Lala tried to share a tubby seat, but there wasn't room. So Po stood up again. Uh-oh, Dipsy. Uh-oh, Lala. Dipsy and Lala tried to share another seat, but there still wasn't room. Dipsy sat down on the tubby seat and Lala had nowhere to sit. Oh, Dipsy! So Lala sang a song. Tinky Winky, Dipsy, and Po joined in. Nowhere to sit, nowhere to sit, nowhere, nowhere, nowhere to sit. While they were singing, the Nunu tidied up. Sucky, slurpy, slurpy. Now all the Teletubbies had somewhere to sit, but they were all sitting on the wrong tubby seats. So the Teletubbies changed places. Again, and again, and again. Until they were all sitting in the right places. And then it was time for Tubby Custard.
Tubby custard! Tubby custard!
Teletubbies love Tubby Custard. And Teletubbies love each other very much.
Big hug!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And follow me on Instagram.